Hey guys, welcome to another video. We're here doing another quick little hosting for the radio for this car giveaway. Come follow us. It is tomorrow, from 12 to 7.
Yeah, I'm right there.
What's up, bro? Good, man. Chilling. Hey, how are you?
All right, no doubt. Check it out. We're also, you guys are also giving away a car, right?
Yes, sir. We're giving away a brand new 2025 Mercedes Benz CLA. The car is incredible, white on white. All you got to do is buy a ticket, bring a driver's license, insurance, and be a lucky winner.
Oh, that's it.
We're here at Chief Hall at an incredible festival, giving away a brand new 2025 Mercedes Benz CLA, white on white, lowrider and freezy. Bro, they give so much to this community. There's free food, free drinks, free artists. Everybody's out here performing. What an amazing time.
Y'all know we live right now, man. Reporting live from Carol City, man. We just gave away 2025 brand new no miles, man. I try to tell y'all, we ain't come out here playing.
I ain't never seen no shit like this ever in my motherfucking life. Swear.
About to give away the 2025 Mercedes Benz CLA. Let's see who the winner is. All right, we're about to give this 2025 Mercedes Benz CLA. Let's see who the winner is. Let's see, everybody. Put your numbers up. Put your numbers up. It's right there, white on white. Let's see who's gonna win it. Shout out to Chief Hall, shout out to Autobon Motors. Let's go. Let's see who's gonna be the winner.
We got Adam Brown on the screen. I'm telling you, you better run to the stage.
All right, Adam Brown just popped up right now. We got valid ID. Adam, where you at? Come on to the front. Come on to the front, Adam. Hey. You're right here. I'm looking at it right now. Adam Brown.
Shout out to 2002, man. Shout out folks who in the building. Yeah, City, what's up, man? I love y'all. Appreciate it.
Brand new 2025 Mercedes Benz CLA. You ain't got to pay nothing. Not a dollar, not a cent. How does it feel?
Town City, man. God is good, man.
You already know, man.
Man, appreciate. Shout out to Freezy, them, man. Everything they did, man.
Freezy, Flow Rider, Autobon, man. Thank God.
2002, man.
Yes, sir, man. Congratulations, man. So happy for you, man. Some of y'all missed out. You should have bought some tickets. Somebody won. It was a movie. Like and subscribe.
Hey, shout out Autobon, man. They made this happen, man. Brand new car, man. That's what it is, man. God is good. Autobon, the number one. Get your car, Autobon. Shout out to Autobon, man, number one, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Freezy, Flow Rider, man. Got the car paid off, cash, no nothing. We done, driving off. Here it is, man. Appreciate it. Autobon, number one, man.